Hello, so have you ever come across such a maths problem? So don't worry, let's take the shortest time possible in order to solve it. So, solution. So on our solution, this one is the maths problem that you have. So 4 to the power of a minus 2 is equals to 30. So the first thing that we need to do, assuming that we have a to the power of m minus n, this one can be written as a to the power of m all over a to the power of n. So in this case now we shall now have 4 to the power of a, then all over, now we shall now have 4 to the power of 2 is equals to 30. So from here now we shall now work it. So 4 to the power of a all over 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4, that is 16 is equals to 30. The next now is to multiply both sides by 16. So here multiply by 16, then also this side multiply by 16. So 16 multiplied by 16, now 16 cancels 16, so that is 4 to the power of a is equals to, now we shall now have 30 multiplied by 16. So the next thing, now we shall now introduce the log on both sides. So now we shall now have the log of 4 to the power of a is equals to the log of 30 multiplied by 16. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of k, this one can be written as k, the log of p. So here now we shall now have a, the log of 4 is equals to the log of 30 multiplied by 16. So from here now, we shall now divide both sides by the log of 4. So divide by the log of 4, then also divide by the log of 4. So log 4 and log 4 shall cancel. So now we shall now say that the value for a is equals to the log of 30 multiplied by 16 into bracket, then all over the log of 4. So the log of 4. So assuming that we have the log of p multiplied by m, so we can still write it as the log of p plus the log of m. So this one is according to the law of exponents. So now we shall now say that the value for a is equals to the log of 30, then plus the log of 16 all over the log of 4. So from there now we shall say that, so now we shall now say that a is equals to, so log 30 can still be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 6 into bracket plus log 16 can be written as the log of 2 or to the log of 4 to the power of 2, because 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Then this all over the log of 4. So now the value for a is equals to, so here now we shall now have the log 5 plus the log of 6, then plus, in this case this one now shall have it as 2, the log of 4, then these are now, we shall all divide them by the log of 4. So now a is equals to, so here now we shall now have log 5, then all over the log of 4, then all over the log of 4, then plus log 6 all over the log of 4, then plus, here now we shall now have 2, the log of 4 all over the log of 4. So next now we shall say that a is equals to, so we shall now have log 5 all over the log of 4, then plus, so in this case the log 6 can be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 2, then into bracket all over the log of 4, then plus, so log 4 and log 4 shall cancel, so we shall remain with 2. So next the value for a is now log 5 still all over the log of 4, then plus, so here now shall now have log 3, then all over the log of 4 plus log 2 all over the log of 4 plus 2. So when we say that, assuming that we have the log of a all over the log of b, so this one now can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So that is according to the law of exponents. So now our final answer here now shall be a is equals to So we shall now have log 5 to the base of 4, then plus log 3 to the base of 4, plus log 2 to the base of 4, plus 2. So these are now shall qualifies to be our correct answer for the value of A. So I believe that you've got this answer as the correct one. So we can still confirm it within the shortest time possible. So let's now introduce the question that you are having. So we had 4 to the power of A minus 2 is equals to 30. So in this case now we shall write all the equation. So now we shall now have 4 to the power of, so A is all of this, the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 3 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4, then plus 2, then minus 2 is equals to 30. So here now we shall say that, so when you rewrite it afresh, we can now have 4 to the power of the log of 5 to the base of 4. Then the plus shall change to multiplication. We shall still have 4 to the power of the log of 3 to the base of 4. Then the plus still multiplication to the power of 4, the log of 2 to the base of 4. Then plus 2 minus 2 is 0 is equals to 30. Then here now we shall say that the log to the base of 4 shall cancel this 4. So now we shall now have it as 5 multiplied by the log to the base of 4 shall cancel this 4. Now we shall now have 3 multiply the log to the base of 4 shall cancel this 4. Now we shall have 2 is equals to 30. So now 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Then 15 multiplied by 2 is equals to 30. So in this case now we shall say that 30 is equals to 30. So our answer is correct when we agree and say that the correct value for A, so the correct value for A is equals to the log 2. So we can have it as the log of 5 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 3 to the base of 4, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 4, then plus 2. So these are now qualifies to be our correct answer. So I believe that the workings that you've made, you got this as the correct answer. So thanks for watching.